Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduate, CSE and IT graduate. The name of the company is Siemens India Career. Type Siemens India Career in Google and just give a search. You'll be getting following result. Out of it, you have to choose search career Siemens India jobs and career homepage. Choose this icon so that you will be directed to the official website of the company. This is the official website of the company. When you scroll down, you can see an option called find your role. Click on find your role. You'll be directed to a page. There you need to type India and give a job search. So there will be an option for location. So there you need to type India and then you have to give a search. So when you give search, you will be getting 1083 result. So when you gently scroll down or when you click it and change to relevant or recent posts, you will be getting new updated ones. When you gently scroll down, just see the date of posting. Okay, so with that you can easily track it up. Just scroll down, you can see off campus fresher for PAMC. So job location is in Bangalore, Karnataka. Those who are willing to work in Bangalore can make use of it. Click on off campus fresher. So once you click, you will be directed further in order to see the entire detail. So this is the job title and job location is in Bangalore. So what role they are expecting is a graduate trainee engineer. The world never. So they are looking for a passionate engineer who have supplying ideas and drive the result for the company. So other things are, see, actually they wanted a dedicated people who has a skill and vision to build a better tomorrow. So if you are one among them, means you can join hands with them, and it's an off campus. So freshers, those who are having with good programming and analytical skills can apply. So they haven't mentioned any qualification. So whether you are belonging to mechanical, triple E, electrical, or electronics, or CSE IT, if you have good programming skills, then you can be easily recruited and grab the job. So the role location is in Bangalore. You sometimes need to visit in other parts of country also. So almost there are 3,79,000 employees are working all over and in almost 200 countries. If you want to join hands with them, then just click apply. There will be an icon called apply. Click on it. So you need to type a mail ID and password. If you are already a third party colleague or a C1 employee, means you will be having the password and mail ID. If not, means you have to create. Okay, so just if you scroll down, you will be having an option there. You need to agree and you need to register yourself. That is your name, mail ID, phone number, first name, last name, etc. So if you don't have any account, you have to register. If you already have an user ID, means you can directly use it and log in and type the mail ID and password for applying it. So once you give submit, you will be applying for this job. If you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to mechanical, electrical and CSE IT graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Do subscribe our channel and stay tuned to our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunity to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.